Everyone, so welcome to Future Kezia. Before we start today's video, I would like to announce my second YouTube Christmas giveaway. In this giveaway, you can win a Technic gift set, which includes a lip gloss, a mascara and a nail polish, as well as 2 handmade earrings from the Blossom Queen. So to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is be sure to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, to follow and like Blossom Queen's Instagram and Facebook pages, to like and follow my Instagram and Facebook pages, which are all going to be linked down below. And if you don't have Facebook, please let me know in the comments down below. And also comment down below what you're grateful for this year. And as a bonus entry, all you have to do is screenshot this YouTube page with my video and share it on your stories on Instagram and tag me. So basically, those are all the rules. It is open internationally and it closes on Saturday, 26 December. The winner will be uploaded on Sunday, 27 December. And basically it will be uploaded on my Vlogmas week 4, which is the last Vlogmas of the year. So yeah, good luck to everyone and thank you so much for all your support. And thank you to Blossom Queen for collaborating with me in this giveaway. Bye guys, and here you go. Here's this week's video. Hi everyone, it's Kezia over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I am Kezia and this is my little corner. If you like what you see, I hope you can join my lovely family. It would mean the world to me. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then you can always press the bell button and I'll notify you every single time I post a new video. Today's video is going to be about the brand called Shop Miss A. I have quite a variety of products to show you and share with you, and I basically share my thoughts, and we are going to be testing out some of the products as well. So if you want to see what I tested out and what I thought of the products, then keep on watching. I'll leave everything linked down below. And also a big thank you to Shop Miss A for collaborating again with me and giving me such an amazing opportunity to test out the products. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. But before that, here is today's video. So yeah, bye! Let's begin. I have quite a bit of things here. So I have this packet right here, which is full of things. So we're just gonna go over what I have because I kind of forgotten what I got, and then we can start using the makeup things as well because I don't only have makeup things in here. So the first thing I'm seeing are these earrings. Oh my god, these earrings are so pretty. These are them. I'll probably be wearing them later on. So these are like the star earrings. They're actually really gorgeous. We have some more earrings, but right now what I'm seeing is this little headband over here, which is obviously pink. And we have another headband, which is a little darker. Then we have a shading brush from Urban Studio. And I also got some other brushes. So I've gotten this ultimate fan brush right here. It's so freaking big. And then this I think is like a blending brush. So I just got this, and this is from AOA Studio. And this one right here is another AOA Studio. But if I'm not mistaken, it's like more for like highlight again. And then we have some makeup remover cleansing wipes from AOA. Over here we have an AOA Wonder highlight in the shade called Cupcake. We have a minimize pores perfect filter, face primer, natural finish liquid concealer as well. Oh, and then I have some lipsticks because I love Shop Miss A lipsticks. I think that they are bomb. And I have these same earrings but in moons. Also a brush holder, which is full of brushes, which I definitely will be using. So I have a bit of scrunchies over here because they do scrunchies as well. They do everything. So I picked up some. So I've got these, which are beautiful for like the autumn and winter time, I would say, or of like the summery one. And then you have these ones. Aren't these cute as well? I also got another set, which is lilac, peach with the floral, and then this pink and polka dot. Oh, I'm covered. And then I actually don't own one like these. It's like a scrunchie with like a bow. I think if I put it like over here, it would look really good with like a half up, half down look. I also got a pair of earrings like this. I think this is really pretty as well. Then I also got the mattifying super smooth primer. So this is another one, which is a no pore primer. Pro Wear foundation. So I'll definitely use this, but I think it's a bit too light for me. We'll see. I got 2 lipsticks over here. These are seashell earrings, which I think would look really nice for the summertime. This is a dewy cream highlighter, so we'll try that. More brushes, so more blending brushes from AOA, and then Charlotte liquid eyeliner. And finally, I've never actually tried eyeshadow palette from them, but I got this one, which is actually called Immersed. So we'll definitely be doing something with this palette right here. So those are all the products. We're basically going to be, well, not all of them, because some of them are like more accessories. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do a makeup look using most of the products. So yes, so let's begin. I'm actually going to put on my hairband. Okay, I look so good right now. Alright, so I have nothing on my face basically, and we're going to start by doing a primer, because that is what you have to always use. I am going to take this one. So I have 2, but I'm actually going to use this one. Here is the packaging. Absolutely love the packaging. It looks really nice and fun. So this comes out like a clear gel. Very, very slippery. Okay, so I'm just going to rub this all over my skin. I'm going to test out this one, which is the Pro Wear foundation by AOA. So it's actually a little bit darker than I thought. So let's just see how it applies on the skin. So, I'm just dabbing it out using a sponge. But yeah, it's quite pale on me, but I have a pale skin tones. That's pretty normal, right? I'm excited to try out the eyeshadow because I've never actually tried out eyeshadow from Miss A before. So I think that's exciting. And I kind of like this one. I'm just going to go in with a bit more, just a bit more. I'm going to apply it over here and over here around my nose, because that's where I have a bit of breakouts going on. Yeah, but I think that primer actually did a fantastic job at priming my face. I feel like my pores aren't like shining through. That is it. I think as a foundation I have no complaints whatsoever. It actually blended in really nicely, and together with the primer I think they did both a really good job. So these two together I think really work. Okay, so this is the AOA Natural Finish Liquid Concealer, which is good for all skin types, and this one is in the shade called Fur Ivory. Okay, this comes like this. I'm just going to apply it with my fingertip. Okay, I think this is a really good color, so perfect. And I'm just going to apply it like this underneath. And a little bit like that. And I'm just going to apply it using my sponge. And let's see how this works out. Definitely conceal under my eyes. That's for sure, so I could. Actually, I'm really impressed. You know, when I use like these products from Miss A, you know, I mean, they're only like $1 each, and it's quite amazing. Like, I cannot believe that the whole face I have on, my god, I'm looking really pale, but the whole face I have on is all from AOA. Okay, so I found a powder. This was the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and I kind of liked it, I remember. So I'm going to use this. So now I'm just going to do my brows, but I don't have any Shop Miss A brow products. I'm just going to do this off camera. So I'm going to give myself some color because I look too pale. And I actually had gotten this one as well from Miss A, and this is the Muse Cosmetics Illuminator. Yeah, just look good. I think I had liked this if I remember correctly. Not 100% sure, but you know, we'll go with it. Okay, so now I have this one, the eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks. I just have to take off the little plastic thing, and this is the color range that we have today. So it's quite summery, so I'm gonna try and obviously do something which is more winter-ish. I'm gonna use this one, which is the AOA Studio E141 brush, which is a blending brush. I'm actually gonna take literally, I think these like 3 shades that are actually next to each other. And this one possibly as well. Sorry, this one possibly as well. I think this one would go much more. So we're going to start with this one. There's no shade name, so I'm just going to have to point that out to you. And there's no mirror on the, basically on the eyeshadow palette, so I'll just use my own. So we're just going to apply that shade in our crease, and let's just see what it will say and how it will speak to us. This shade actually blended in very nicely in my crease, so I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. So I'm just going to literally just build up the color slightly. Use this one right here first. It's very pinky. They're very powdery when you hit the pan, but I'm just fluffing them off, hopefully not to do any like fallout. So I'm just applying this below that like orange shade, I would say. And actually it's creating a very nice contrast. This costs a bit more than $8, but you know, it's still Miss A, so I'll link most of the products down below, but they're blending out really nicely, those two shades, so very happy with that. So now I'm going to take that other pink shade because I think it's actually gorgeous, and we'll just build up with that color and we'll see what happens. And I think this, I'll put it also in my outer corner. So as you can see, first I'm like packing it on in my outer corner, and then what I'm going to do, this is a secret that I have, I just fluff away whatever there's left on my brush, and I'm just going to blend everything into my crease. So I think we have like most of it done. So now I'm just going to choose a shimmer shade. There's a lot of shimmer shades going on. We have quite a bit. We have like this top row is nearly like, this one is the only matte shade that there is. The rest are all shimmer shades. Then we have like these two, this green, and all this row is actually a shimmer shade. Which one is Kezzy going to use? I'm so intrigued by this one, but I know I cannot use it. But like, oh goodness, look at that. That is pretty. That's like galactic for me. Okay, I think I'm going to use, okay, let's see what this is. I think I'll use this one, which is like a pink. Yeah, I'll use this. So first off, I'm actually going to use a brush. So first I'm going to actually not dampen my brush. Let me see what happens without dampening my brush. Okay, this is basically without any setting powder, setting spray or anything. But let's just use some setting spray. Okay, so basically I am going to go back in. Now I have dampened my brush. Let's see if it's different. Okay, there's more product for sure. Okay, let me just do the same thing on the other eye. So before my camera cut me off, I'm just patting on the shade now with my fingertips. It is slightly patchy, I'm noticing, and I cannot seem to sort of fix the patchiness, but I don't hate it. But now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take those two pink shades we used, and I'm just going to blend them into the shimmer shade. That's very, very pretty. I'm actually really happy. And as for like fallout, there was none, so that's very, very good. Just take this one. So this is the brush called E132. I never like say names on brushes, but for the sake of this video I will. And we're going to actually first apply some highlight. So what I'm going to do is highlight. I'm going to, as in my inner corner highlight, I'm using this one. Like this very bright silver one. Place it in our inner corner. Apply the leftover on my brow bone highlight. Slightly. And okay, so now for the lower lash line, I'm going to use that orange shade. I think that probably will do it the best. And just a little bit. I don't want a lot. Please don't do a lot. That's fine. Okay, so those are the eyes. I'm actually really impressed with this eyeshadow palette because, again, I've never tried an eyeshadow palette from Miss A before, but I really like this one and I actually recommend it. And definitely I will be doing a look with the greens and the blues because, you know, they're calling my name. So, yes, next time. I have a Miss A mascara on hand, so I'll just use normal mascara. That's mascara applied, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to be using, so I have two highlights. So I'm actually going to try and use this one, which is the AOA Dewy Creme Highlight first. Okay, so I'm just going to apply, ooh, it looks okay. That's actually stunning. Apply it then. It's actually looking very nice, and it just blends. It blends in, guys. It blends in. It really creates a really subtle, glowy highlight, which is something really cute. So this again is the AOA Dewy Creme Highlight in the shade Opal. Don't know, I think that's a shade. Okay, so I have this other one, which is the AOA Wonder Highlight. It looks very sheer. Okay, I'm just gonna use it because I just want to use this brush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit like this and just build it up. Like, this is what you use this brush for, right, guys? I've never had such a big fan brush. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we just have lipstick. Oh dear God. Okay, I forgot to apply this one, but I'll use this in another video. This is the liquid eyeliner in Starlit. I'll use it in another video. Okay, so now what do I have? I just have lipsticks. Okay. So lipstick. Okay, now I don't have time to swatch everything, but I will just swatch them on my hands. So I managed to open all of my lipsticks. Took a while, but I did it. So we have 3 of these matte lipsticks. So let me show you these. So this is the matte liquid lipstick by Sante, and this one is in the shade number 1. Very, 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 very pink. This one is shade number 3. They look really sheer and they feel dry. It's shade number 2. So, oh, that's pretty. See, that's much better. Then we have these, which are the AOA Studio lipsticks. I absolutely love these. I had reviewed them before and absolutely love them. So this one is shade number Shore. Sorry, shade Shore. So this one is what? They're the same? They're okay, they're both Shore. So I'll just leave this for a giveaway. Never used this, so just leave that there. This one is called Pom. Pom. Is again Pom, so giveaway. And then this one is called Bliss. Okay, this is like a peach shade. So I actually use the shade called Shore, which is calling my name. So let me just, I really like this shade with the look. I believe that it's actually really pretty. So that's basically all the products that I have testing out for you. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually going to wear, where are they? Those stars. I feel like today those stars need to be worn. They're really pretty. I love this stars makeup. It's actually really cute. So yeah, so basically that was my review on some Shop Miss A products. I'll leave everything linked down below again, and thank you so much again to Shop Miss A for wanting to work with me again and doing this review for you guys. I really appreciate it, so thank you very much to Miss A. So yeah, overall, like, I really liked how the products work. I think I was really impressed with the foundation and my face products, as well as the eyeshadow palette. I have no complaints whatsoever. I don't think I have any complaints in today's video. Even like the highlighter. I think the highlighter, especially the creme highlight, was beautiful, so definitely recommend them. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and yeah, join me again for another video. Until next time, I love you, and I'll see you again. Stay safe, guys. Bye!